So I decided to have a go at programming today, and I wrote this interesting little program that'll help me find the impedance of inductors. So all you have to do is hook up a signal generator to an inductor, and then attach an oscilloscope to it. And then what we do, if we turn on the signal generator, we see that we're getting a signal on the oscilloscope, and I see that it's got a low of 9.12 volts. So this program will ask me, I had to hit shift enter or enter the frequency in kilohertz. So it is running at 60 kilohertz. So I put in 60 kilohertz. Enter the voltage reading. I got 9.12 volts. And it tells you the value of your inductor. So I see that this is a 10 millihenry inductor. So if I take this off of here and I plug it into this component tester that I have and turn it on, I see that it is this says 9.82 millihenries. So close enough. I'm pretty happy with it.